Today I'm on my PC with iTunes loaded, and I'll be showing you how you can create a new iTunes account. So click on account here and do sign in, and then you have the option to create a new Apple ID. And so then you put your own email account. I use my Alex Dude at Gmail. And then I entered my new Apple ID password and click continue, and that'll take me to some other screens. And so we'll continue there. When you're creating a new Apple account, you can do it through your iTunes account. When you get to the part where payment method, there should hopefully is a section for none. Click on that, and all you have to do is put the billing address and continue. So let's see if this works. After putting the billing information, it's asking me to check for a verification code. And then here it's just setting up. And then now I can use my Apple ID. So again, I didn't have to do, what do you call it? Credit card information. They allowed me to use none over here, which is nice. I don't know if they did it before, but so if you use iTunes on PC, you just have to remember to click none, and you don't have to use a credit card to complete the process. So this isn't really a tutorial. I was really just checking to see if it's possible to do. I'm actually going to use these new accounts for testing. I wanted to test restricting screen time, but I need two-factor authentication enabled. And I didn't want to enable it with my real account, so this is just a fake test account I'm going to be using. So we'll see how it goes. Again, not a tutorial, just proof of concept that it is possible to create an iTunes account without a credit card. You just need a PC and iTunes installed onto it.